8th standard students, let us start from question number 6. Describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? That means we have to calculate for these two shapes. That means cylinder and cube, lateral surface area. The lateral surface area of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi RH. You will put the value in the formula, you will calculate and you will get the lateral surface area for this. And here the lateral surface area of cube, that top and bottom you will not calculate. So whole surface area, formula of whole surface area is 6 side square. So here 4 side square you will calculate and then compare. Now 7th question. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter made from a sheet of metal. That means we have to calculate whole surface area of cylinder. That means 2 pi r plus h formula we will use. And you can see here radius is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. So easily you can calculate and you can solve this sum. 8th question. The lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is 4225 centimeter square. Lateral surface is given. It is cut along here its height. Along its height. Now see height. Already we studied about cylinder. See here. Height. Okay, and it is called length, because already I explained the cylinder, how cylinder will get the rectangular shape. Okay, and lateral surface, that means 2 pi RH. So what we will do after that, it's cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet. That means circumference is called length of rectangular shield. Okay, in the cylinder of width 33 centimeter and rectangular sheet's width we assume as the height of hollow cylinder. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. That means perimeter of rectangular sheet, that means what formula we will, which one formula we will apply? 2 in the bracket L plus B. So let us start the question. See, given the lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is equal to 4224 centimeter square and width of rectangular sheet we will assume as the height of hollow cylinder. So height is 33 centimeter. Now apply the formula. Lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. We have to calculate the value of 2 pi r because in the rectangular sheet L is equal to 2 pi r. So 4224 is equal to 2 pi r into 33, or we can write 2 pi r into 33 is equal to 4 because 2 pi r is the length of rectangular sheet. So 2 pi r is equal to 4224 upon 33. When you will solve this, you will get 128 centimeter. So 2 pi r is equal to L is equal to 128 centimeter. Hence the length of rectangular sheet you will write here is 128 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B. In place of L you will write 128 and in place of breadth you will write 33. Then calculate, you will get perimeter of rectangular sheet. Okay. Now 9th question is, a road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. That means 750 complete revolutions when a road roller will take, the road's level will be smooth. That means we have to calculate, find the area of the road if the diameter of road roller is this and the length is this. Road roller will take round in this way. That means top. If this pencil is unsharpened, then we can consider this complete cylindrical shape, but now top this 2, okay, bottom and top we are not using, so roller will take complete round. So complete round taken by roller in one round, okay, one round taken by roller is equal to curved surface area of roller. But here you can see the diameter is given in centimeter and length, that means height is given in meters. So we will change into centimeter. Okay, so let us start. See here, given diameter of road roller is equal to 84 centimeter, then radius equal to d by 2, 84 by 2, 42 centimeter. Length of roller, that means height is, by mistake I have written is equal to sign, or you can cut the equal sign or cut is. From both the things you can cut one thing. Okay, so length of roller, that means height is 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter, because the radius is given in the centimeter. Okay, so same units should be there. Now curved surface area of road roller is equal to 2 pi RH. Put the value in the formula and cancel, you will get 26400 square centimeter. Because in place of pi 22 by 7, 2 as it is, r is 42 and h is 100. 7 6 are 42. When you will multiply, you will get this 26,400 square centimeter. It is the curved surface of road roller. Okay. After that we will write area covered by roller in one round is equal to 26400 square centimeter. Then area covered by roller in how many rounds? 750 rounds. You will put here S, rounds. 26400 multiply by 750, so we will get 198 with 5 zeros square centimeter. Unit should be there. Now this square centimeter we will change into square meter, but we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So again 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter, because 1 into 1 square meter, and 100 into 100 centimeter, that means 10,000 square centimeter. So 1 square centimeter is equal to 1 upon 10,000 square meter. So 19850 square centimeter is equal to 1 upon 10,000 multiplied by 198 with 50. 4 zeros cancel by 4. So how much area covered in 750 rounds? 1980 square meter area will be covered in 750 rounds. Now see here, 10th last question of 11.3. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter. We can see diameter, so radius easily we can calculate, and height is 20 centimeter. Its cylinder's height is 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of the container. You can see label, that means curved surface around the label. The company places a label around the surface of the container as shown in the figure. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and bottom, see here this distance, 2 centimeter below from here and 2 centimeter above from here. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. Then height of this label will be 2, you will subtract from here, 2 you will subtract from here. So from the 20 we will subtract 4. Okay, so height of the label we will get 16 centimeter. And then we have to calculate the curved surface area of label, 2 pi RH. So first you will write, you will do yourself this question. First you will write, given the diameter of the cylinder is this, height of cylinder is this, and label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and bottom, then height of the label is 20 minus 2 minus 2, that means 20 minus 4, 16 centimeter. Then curved surface area of label is equal to 2 pi RH. Put the value in the formula and calculate. Okay, so 11.3 finished.